To work a half double crochet, you start out with a chain. You will insert your hook after yarning over into the third chain from the hook. Once again, you cannot work into the first one. The second one is not enough for the height of a half double crochet. The third one will approximate the same height. So these skip chains may count as your first half double crochet in a pattern, but this is how you actually work the stitch. You yarn over, you insert the hook into the chain, you pull up a loop, you have 3 loops on your hook, you yarn over again, and you pull through all 3 of them at the same time. Do this again, yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, pull up a loop, got 3 loops, yarn over again, pull through all 3. It's a little taller than a single crochet. It's got a very distinctive look. And as you go across, you just keep pulling through all 3. You have to remember to do that yarn over because that's what gives it its extra height. Half double crochets, when done all by themselves, like in a full pattern of all half double crochets, tend to kind of skew to one direction or the other. They don't stay straight on the sides. It's very rarely that you can see a pattern that of them that does not kind of lean one direction or the other. You can kind of see it here. It wants to kind of go that way. But there's your first row of half double crochets. Now to do the other side, you'll have to do a turning chain. And 2 chains is customarily the height for a half double crochet. You will turn it, and then you'll work into this stitch right here. That is actually the first half double crochet on your row now. Yarn over, pull through all 3. And you'll do that all the way across the row. And when you come to the turning chain or the skip chains, if they will say that that's one of your half double crochets in your pattern, and it'll have a note saying that the 2 skip chains or the 3 skip chains count as your first half double crochet. You actually work in top of that skip chain. So here's the last actual half double right there, and then you work into this chain here. You can see the 2 chains to make the last half double crochet.